snake on the fridge. Maybe. Welcome to it. I'm gonna put some milk in my coffee. Hold on a second. We're gonna have a Rowan and Mommy Day. So, what I do as a tradition with my kids every single year is they get to have one day. I just want to start my milk so that I can have my coffee this morning because I don't want anything getting in the way of us having a great day. I want to have my coffee so that I don't have a headache. It's become a tradition that I've done with my kids for the last little while. They get to skip school for a day and they get to spend the day with mom and they get to go shopping and they're gonna do all their Christmas shopping that they want to do for the family and for their sister and for their dad and for his cousin and his aunt and his grandparents, and he gets to do all the shopping that. Well, that's grandparents. It kind of covers all of them. This year we decided to do Rowan first because Rowan is in some desperate need of some boots, which is coming at the perfect time because we have snow on the ground again today. I am so excited. I'm gonna get a piece of paper and a pen so that he can make his own list. You know what? You have, at Christmas time, you have 2 whole weeks off of school. So we got lots of time even after Christmas to make stuff like that if you want. My kids aren't dramatic at all. What? Anyway. Well, I have a feeling that Rowan is gonna talk my ear off for the entire day and I cannot wait to hear what's going on in that little brain of his. We don't have time to talk very often. Oh, did I just poke you in the head? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hold on. You got your seatbelt on? So, we just dropped Callie off at doggy daycare. Hold on. Are you ready? You got your seatbelt on? Say bye, Callie. Bye, Callie. We just dropped Miss Cal off at doggy daycare because it's going to be a very long day out with Mr. Rowan, and I cannot wait, or I don't want to leave her at home. I'm not dealing with that chaos and energy and all of that today, and it would be, I feel bad because I don't want to do that to her 2 days in a row. Yesterday when I went grocery shopping, I wasn't gone for that long, but I was definitely gone long enough, and she didn't actually get to have her fun in the sun yesterday, so her run and whatnot. I think we will head back to the dog park tomorrow. What is this in the middle of the road? Newspapers. Oh my gosh, paper boys don't know where to put their stuff. That is pretty cool. Oh look, there's the motorcycle Santa too. You're awesome, buddy. That's an incredible tree. I like that.
That's incredible light.
It's what?
Those are incredible lights.
Incredible?
Yeah, that's what.
Listen to me. Incredible. Incredible.
Incredible.
There you go. Good job. Look at these lights. Look at on this tree. They're like fiber optics. They're very cool. Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to think if there's any boot stores or shoe stores around here that we can just check out first before we go across Lone Star to have lunch. That Canadian Tire was a pretty good success. Rowan, it was a good success and a bad, like it didn't really work out because we were hoping to get Rowan some new boots there, but they didn't have really anything that we could choose from. There was nothing his size even to try. So that's a bit of a bummer, but we will figure that out. Maybe what I'll have to do, but is I'll have to go looking online somewhere and maybe I'll order you some boots. But either way, we'll still look. I think there's a shoe store or something across over close to where Lone Star is. We're gonna go drive over that way. Rowan would really like to go to Lone Star for lunch. That's one of his favorite places. I think he likes it so much because they give us free nachos. So I bought the lights that I really want for my house. I'm very, very excited. Rowan picked out his ornament for this year and he's gonna put it on the tree when we get home. And he got his first present for his sister. That out of the way, all we need to do is go do some... Well, you can't say it because what if she watches this video, buddy?
She never watches it.
Well, she might see it when Daddy watches it. What if Daddy's doing dishes one day and he's watching the video and Dara is listening and then she finds out what the secret is? So you can't tell anybody. We'll show everybody at Christmas time, okay? So we're gonna go across the road here to the Walmart Plaza. I mean, I guess we could go in Walmart and look for boots, but I really don't want to walk into a Walmart today.
I don't want to either.
Rowan doesn't want to either, so we're not gonna go to Walmart to look for boots. I think there might be, I want to just drive around the plazas and see if there's a shoe store around here first. So Rowan checked off his sister off the list. We need to add Shauna and the kids to the list. If we go over here, I wonder if this place here too. Oh my gosh, get out of my way.
What?
Yeah. You're okay. That's why you can sit, honey, and use your hands, right? Okay, let's walk. Let's see how they feel. And back that way faster. See if you can run in them. What do you think? Okay, oh yeah. It's better?
Yep.
I think those ones are way better. Oh my gosh! So, was it a little bit more than I was hoping to spend? Yes, but what we did, we found a really good fit. We went into the shoe company. Sometimes I think they have some good deals, but it seems like they weren't really running any kind of special today, but it's fine. You know, if you're a parent, you'll understand this. Like sometimes you just need to do what you gotta do. And if it means that we did size up his boots. So they're a little bit bigger so he can fit some nice warm socks in there for like the really cold days. And he did the run test and he ran back and forth and he walked back and forth and you got it covered, huh bud? And they feel really good?
Yeah.
And they look really cool.
Hey,
like
there's a store.
There's a Lone Star right there. Unless he has some incredible growth spurt that just like pops out of nowhere, these boots should still fit him next year, which is why I can justify spending a little bit more money than I would have wanted to in the first place. Let's go to the restaurant. I'm so excited. Ready, bud? Okay, let's go for lunch. Pound 5?
Yep. Your turn.
Okay. What about sleeping bags? How many sleeping bags? I see 1, 2, oh, big one, 3,
Wait.
4. Is that it?
2. Is it pound?
I think that's it. Okay. 4. It's hard to write upside down. Okay, your turn.
I love this so much.
I'm glad you like it, buddy.
Right there.
Right there. Are you gonna use these forks and stuff?
I'm gonna cut up a chicken.
Put your drink here so you don't knock it over. There you go.
Yeah.
Where do you want the ketchup?
Right there.
Right there?
Those are so hot.
Oh my gosh, I almost missed the plate. Oh my gosh.
I don't know how to do that.
I don't know. They got everything decorated for Christmas, so pretty. It does look really good, but we don't need it today. Everything's great, thank you. Whoops. Was everything delicious? good?
Now I'm getting churros.
Now you're getting churros. Oh, perfect. Thank you. A new straw.
Yeah.
Best day. You're awesome.
I was like, I need a straw. And I was like,
Oh, you were hoping for a new straw?
so I thought I was going to bring back my straw, and I was like, and when I saw it with no straw, I was like,
She must have read your mind, buddy. Now we just need to do presents and we're all set. Oh my gosh.
Scribble, the plate's cold, but the churros are going to be pretty hot.
Okay.
what's this sauce?
That's caramel sauce to dip them in.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Can I try one, do you think? Oh, you can dip it for me? Hold on, wait till it says done dripping. Oh, thank you, sir. Delicious.
It's so good.
Okay, so all we have left to do is go to the mall.
Feast this one.
Go wander around the mall and see what we can get into, and then we're gonna go to the dollar store and get everybody else's presents bought. I'm very excited. It's been a great day so far, so I'm happy. Are you happy? Yeah, he's nodding. His mouth is full of delicious churros. He's never had churros before and he's very excited.
They tasting good?
Are they delicious, bud?
They are so good.
Hold on, wait till the drip. That's okay. Oh, I gotta find something for your daddy too. I don't know what it is that I'm gonna get daddy for Christmas. I would say dinner was a success, or lunch was a success. What do you think, bud? I don't know. We were in there for an hour and a half, buddy. It's 1:30. We went in there at maybe just after 12. Wow, we had such a good time. Time flew. Okay, where's our next stop?
The mall!
The mall. Here we go.
It has the same store.
Has a Santa Claus on the top.
You mean it comes with lights and I know lunchbox?
Looks like a cozy bed.
I don't know.
These trees are cool.
That one's cute. Now, let's see. Those are cool. I love
Pretty.
Okay, it's hot.
Oh, see, you went right into the hole.
What was that for?
That's okay. Now you get to try that side until you win something.
Go down now.
Oh. Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Yes, not counted.
Nice. You can still go say hi if you want. You want to.
Hey, old friend. You high five? All right.
I just got home and this was on my back step and I was so excited to open it that I started opening it, as you can see. And then I realized this is not what we do. This is not what we do anymore. We don't open things without the camera present, because this, I've been opening a lot of things without the camera present because a lot of the stuff that I've had delivered to the house was Christmas presents, and obviously I don't need to be showing that off. But I just got a steam mop. So I found this Canadian Tire website, and I like to browse the website every once in a while for deals and clearance, their clearance stuff especially. And I don't know if this is the best one, but we don't have one at all. And I'm so very excited to try this, and I cannot wait to clean the crap out of my house. It's a steam mop. I'm so excited.
I didn't know what's this part?
This is like the middle part. All the water goes in here. Huh?
Wanna hug?
Always.
Since you were Santa.
Thanks, buddy. Oh, you're so good at making somebody feel better. Hey, thanks for having such a great day with me today. I had so much fun with you.
You have to plug it in.
Yeah. Because it heats up the water, and then it shoots out super hot steam. That
But as
it's
it
so
heals?
that it's so hot that it cleans everything. Steam Fresh Pet all-in-one steam cleaner, 8-in-1 all-purpose cleaner, cleans beyond the floor with Beyond Health. Anyways, I'm going to read this. This is all very boring. What I'm reading right now. This is what we.
Pick it up.
I will. Thank you. This is what we have, and I will. When I use it and plug it in, I have a lot of cleaning to do before I can do this kind of cleaning. So when I use it and I plug it in, I promise I will bring it along, or at least I'll do my best. I don't know. I'm half asleep at the wheel right now, so maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll use it tomorrow. No, I have ADHD. I won't be able to wait till tomorrow. Anyways. Oh, I'm just okay. Bye.